abejuge budget in a deficit around 514 billion.
Correct.
So we have to borrow domestically. Kulingana kile ugida. We have to borrow domestically around 260 something billion and around 333 billion from outside. Kogo tureda kuona ha 260 something. How does it benefit the Kenyan person?
Correct.
Na nikiodera uga there are pros and cons. Todo ugirona the principle of equality intramiona andu othe mari he igoti no na nikiodera shokera diga from me magoti punitive. The only advantage they give na budget is the correction of revenue towards payment of our debt. No ukaririka na Kenya we suffer from a cancer called corruption.
Correct.
Tokoro toko ya bese ici nyingio
she gave him
tuonage mavigate go komena federa todo I think thirikari ino ina impunity nene muno todo ngira ginya ta secretary general wa kiama kia UDA gari yake ina federa.
Correct.
Kaligo hihi ni CS na no as just a secretary general ndio sudi yake mwita an improved MCA. Leo okakiligo we have to sort the leakages. He introduced to collect revenue nega tuhote kuriha mathire nega tuhote gukorona development no girona in the process of collecting the revenue area twina yo leo thaicie we are killing employment. Todo if people agikoro andu ni mekugwithio mawira ni undu wa redundancy na ni makambuni manene ugirona ta Vimalsha ni mararitie maundu maya that is Bidco among the biggest employer wa bururi witu and the East African region akiuga andu engine megutwika redundant because agikoro no rute wira oyo na ni uraruta oyo thaici na no rute wa mundu oyo enge then why should I have this other person? So ni mundu wa wira and this person, do not forget, no arari ha VAT tudani arathie duka akagura kindu akora kindu nikiongereirwo bei na ni afuto wira.
Exactly.
So in the process of revenue collection, do not forget the basics. Ndukariganiro ora collect mbeca cia a Kenya aria mena mbeca marahuthira. Koguo waima mundu mbeca ndurahota ku collect igoti riake. Koguo tutikaurage mawira in the process of revenue collection. Na nikio ngwira mheshimiwa Ruto wina miaka 5 ndukarute maundu ma miaka 5 na mwaka umwe. Because it is a process and we are a sovereign state. Tiate ona tugire makuri hamathire maya ni megoka matahe Kenya. We are sovereign state.
Correct.
And